Hello guys, welcome, and today's video is going to be about price action. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a candle that is going to give you your entry confirmation, and I'm also going to teach you guys how you can make use of that candle. Okay, so you might be seeing this candle on the chart, you might not pay attention to it, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys what are the candles are. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new, like this video, and also turn on post notification and then post new strategy to guys will be aware. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's quickly dive into the strategy. Okay, so what is this candle I'm talking about now? This is the candle that whenever we see that the price is selling, there's going to be a little spike that's going to happen within between that sell trends. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about now. When the price is selling, looking at this move right here from here down to this area. Okay, so look at this move right here. When the price is coming downwards, look at this candle right here. So look at this candle right here. This candle right here is a small spike candle, and that candle right here is the candle that we always want to pay attention to. Now that candle, it does not go more than one candle. Okay, if it's big, then that is not the candle I'm talking about. Now if this candle is bigger like this right here, that is not the candle I'm talking about. I'm talking about this candle right here. Looking at this candle right here, so this is the candle I'm talking about, and this is the candle we are going to be focusing on when we are trading. Okay, so when you come to this chart, anytime you come to the chart, just find this candle right here by using your horizontal. Okay, look for this candle right here. So when you see this candle right here and you don't just see this candle, we always want the candle to break any spike, which is very important. And this is the spike that the candle break. Okay, so this is the spike right here. So let me use this thing to mark the spike out. So this is the spike right here. This spike right here is what this move break. Okay, so after we mark this out, then use your horizontal again to mark that area out, which is this spike right here. So when you mark it out, then you now want to wait for a spike, for a price to spike back into that candle. Okay, so this is the spike that spike back into this candle, this spike right here. So when the price spike back to that candle, then the next thing you do is to switch your 1 minute time frame. Okay, so using this strategy, we are only trading between this candle range. Okay, so now if you go to your 1 minute time frame, what we do is to mark from the high of the candle to low of the candle. Mark out the high of the candle and the low. That is what we mark out. Now pay attention to this guys, because this strategy is very effective. Okay, and this strategy is very accuracy. Okay, so now when we see that a spike, I'm talking about this spike right here. When we see that the price spike back up to that candle, it doesn't matter if it spike beyond the candle. What we are now going to wait for is a candle coming back inside the range. Okay, which is this candle right here. This candle I just indicate. So which is this candle right here. After that candle, then we wait for this candle to show us clearly that the price is already selling, which is this candle right here. So let me zoom so you can see this candle. So after this candle right here, after this candle right here, then we are now going to be enter for a sell with this candle. Okay, we enter for a sell, and keep it in mind that when the candle is closing below this area, we want to stay out of the market. We want to close all our operations. We enter from here, and then we take our profit from this candle right here. So that is the candle. If you count this candle, this is even up to 8 to 10 candles. Okay, so that is how you trade using this strategy. Okay, it's very simple and it's very straightforward. Just go to any chart, go to any index. Okay, go to any index, switch your 5 minute time frame, when you switch a 5 minute time frame, look for a small spike, which is this spike right here. Let me use this to mark it out. Now look for any spike in the market, which is this spike. The spike does not up to one 5 minute candle. So when we're looking at this spike right here, then the next thing we do is to switch our 5 minute time is to wait for a spike to occur, a spike, which is this spike right here. So after this spike right here, we switch our 1 minute time frame for entries. Now when we get to our 5 minute when you get to our 1 minute time frame, then the next thing we do is we wait for the candles. We wait for the spike to happen. After the spike, which is this spike right here. So after the spike right here, we wait for the candles to open. Okay, so which is this candle right here? Candle open and candle close inside that area. So after a candle close inside that area, we enter for our buy, which is on crash, and then we take our profit when we see that the candle is closing above this area right here. Okay, so that is how we use the strategy to take trade. Back test it and comment down below if the strategy is very effective for you or not. So see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification and type posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.